and Assalamualaikum. So today we will be presenting about our assignment manufacturing account from the subject financial accounting. Our group consists of 3 members, which is me, Muhammad Imran Farhan, Muhammad Nur Arif, and also Najman Hadi. Okay, so first thing first is about the introduction to manufacturing enterprise and also manufacturing account. A manufacturing enterprise produces goods for sale by processing raw materials in a factory. The manufacturer usually sells this good either as a finished product to a wholesaler or retailer, or as a partly finished product to another manufacturer. The purpose of manufacturing account to calculate the total production cost. Sometimes it is prepared so as to show whether the factory has made a manufacturing profit or loss. This is to decide whether the manufacturer it owns good or not. So next we're going to talk about the company background. About us, our name is Sambal Mama Hadi. It is a homegrown, halal and certified sambal brand producing high quality sambal goreng with only the real and the freshest ingredients. Founded on 2021 by me, Arif Zulkifli, and also Najman Hadi. Okay, so about the business activities. We started off with the sambal goreng production process, from the selection of the high quality and the fresh ingredients to purchase, cooking, packing and labeling until completed the process to produce finished goods. Also next, the quality control of finished goods. Next, the shipment of the finished goods to our appointed resellers and distributors after pass through all the quality control. And also the last one is managing the company's finance. Okay, next, what is the vision and mission of our manufacturing company? The vision is to be a local company that brings Malaysia's food or cuisine to the eye of the world. And our mission is through continuous improvement and customer interactions, we aim to exceed our customers' expectation in terms of quality, delivery and cost. So from this mission, we know that we will satisfy our customer. Okay, as we going further, we will see the organizational chart of our manufacturing business. We start off with our general manager, which is Najman Hadi, and goes to our accountant manager, which is Arif Zulkifli, and also me as a human resource manager, which the 3 of these position occupied by the 3 of the owner of the company. Okay, then next we have 3 labor which will act as the operator of the manufacturer, which is Daniel, Razak and Adam. Okay, so next I will talk about the product information. Our product name is Sambal Goreng Ikan Bilis. This product was made by the factory with premium and fresh ingredients. Okay, next we will talk about the product component, which what is the product made of. Okay, the product is made of anchovies, salt, sugar, tamarind slice, onion, garlic and dried chili, and also cooking oil. These are the raw material to make the sambal goreng ikan bilis.
My name is Arif and I will continue the presentation with telling you about our cost involved in manufacturing our product. So firstly, for cost of raw material, the way we find the amount is we must purchase our new raw material that cost us 13,695 ringgit, and we will minus with our closing inventory, that is 6,092 ringgit, and we got our raw material consumed, that is 7,603 ringgit. Next, for our direct labor, we got 2, that is chef salaries and direct wages, and the total of both item is 6,000. And for direct expenses, we got 2 also, that is quality control and food container and wrap. The total of both 2 items is 10,415. For the prime cost, the way we find that amount is we must sum up the raw material consumed with direct labor and also direct expenses, and our company prime cost is 18,053 ringgit. Next, for factory overhead expenses, we got indirect material. supervisor salaries, rates and insurance, electricity, rental, and lastly representation plant and machinery. So the total of our factory overhead expenses is 8,410, and the way we got total production cost, we must sum out the prime cost with factory overhead expenses, and we got 26,463, and then we will minus with our closing work in progress, that is 299, and we got 26,164. That is our production cost of complete goods. And lastly, we will plus with our manufacturing profit, and we will got cost of goods transferred, that amount 28,780 ringgit. Lastly, for our cost per unit and selling price for our product, that is sambal goreng ikan bilis, cost per unit, our cost per unit is 4 ringgit and 60 cent, and our selling price is 12 ringgit. So from that amount, we expect that our profit for this month is 22,200 ringgit. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, now I will proceed with the presentation about statement of profit or loss for the year ended 28 February 2021. The sales that we got is 33,600 ringgit minus with the return inward 420 ringgit, and we got net sales 33,180 ringgit. The total of cost of goods sold is 27,630 ringgit, which is in it is we have cost of goods transferred and closing inventory finished good, and the total will be minus with the total of net sales, and we got gross profit 5,550 ringgit. Plus with the manufacturing profit, which is 2,616, we got 8,166. The total revenue is 945 ringgit, and we plus it also with the manufacturing profit after plus with the gross profit, and we got 9,111. The total expenses for the administrative expenses is 8,000, and the total expenses for the selling and distribution is 1,363. The total of the expenses will be minus with the total of total revenue. Then we got the total the net loss of 252 ringgit. Next, about our presentation about statement of financial position. Our non-current asset is plant and machinery and fitting and furniture, which is broad carrying value. The total is 7,920, and it is the total of non-current asset. For the total current asset, we have closing inventory of raw material, work in progress, finished goods, bank and account receivable, and the total is 34,783, and we total it with the total of non-current asset, and we get total asset of 42,703. For the on equity, the capital that we got from the investment is 30,000, and we minus it with the net loss that we got to 252, and we got 29,748. For our current liability, we have an account payable, and the value is 12,955, and the total that we got from the current liability and the on equity is 42,703 equals to the total of asset. Thank you.